up, guys? Welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. Today I've got a very interesting video for you guys. I had a subscriber reach out to me the other day and he had a proposition for me. He said, hey man, I've got a Lamborghini Urus and I've seen this other creator put this really cool custom root beer paint job over top of it. I've reached out to multiple people like House of Colors and some other places, and I haven't gotten anything back. I'm trying to recreate this color. Can you help me out? It was a very, very cool root beer color. It was a root beer candy done over top of carbon fiber, guys. So we're going to try our best today to recreate it, or at least get somewhere close to it so that he knows to how, you know, the direction he should be going to match it or get somewhere in that ballpark. And that's kind of what my channel is all about, is finding new ways to create more expensive looking colors on a budget, and, you know, just teaching color theory, color combinations, a little bit of everything, just having fun with paint pretty much. So today, this is my game plan to start this off. I got a fender prepped up behind me. I've got a really cool subscriber's paint called Tony Got Paint. He sent me out a really cool gold color from his product line LYFE. We've done it on a few videos. I've made custom colors with it. I've done all kinds of different things, but today we're going to try and do a root beer. So I'll be throwing that on the panel first. We'll get our gold down, and then how are we going to create our candy? Well, I've got lime candy concentrates, guys, and these are liquid additives you put into a clear or mid coat or whatever you want to create your candy effect with, and you can mix and match them to create different colors. By mixing and matching all three, the gold, the red, and the blue, we will get a really cool root beer candy, and we'll shoot that over top of the gold, and we're going to see, will that match up to that Lamborghini Urus color, that custom evasive color that he can't seem to find? Well, we're going to find out. Let's get some paint on the panel, and let's get into today's episode. Alright guys, so now we've created a cool gold color. Does have some hints of green in it. I kind of like this. I think it's pretty cool. So this is going to be interesting though. Let's shoot some candy over top of it and let's see what we get. Alright guys, now we got our golden base mixed up, and I'm going to be doing this candy application today, poor man style, using Finish One FC720 clear. It's a really good high solids 2K urethane clear, and Limelight candy concentrates. Now, they have got it more recently to where you can buy the Limelight candy concentrates already pre-mixed. So you can get root beer, green, blue, any of the colors you want. Used to, you had to buy all three of these candy concentrates and mix and match them, but now they've changed it. So, but if you decide to buy the bulk product like I did, there's a little scale on the back of it right there, guys. It teaches you how to mix whatever color you're trying to get. For root beer, it says 15% yellow or gold, 10% red, and then a little bit of blue, 5% blue. So mostly yellow, a little bit of red, and even less blue. So I'm going to do that into the mix real quick, kind of mix it up, roughly ballpark it, and then I'll bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so here's the final results. Now keep in mind, they did this over carbon fiber when they did it on the Lamborghini. I used gold to try to replicate the orange hue that candy had, and it has a really nice sparkle to it. I know it didn't have as much sparkle when you see it on the Lamborghini, but man, I think this color is dead nuts close. It looks really dark when it's out of the sun, and then when you get that right light on it, guys, it just pops. But it ain't up to me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so on today's video, I took a shot at recreating a one-off paint job that a subscriber found on a Lamborghini Urus. Now, that was sprayed over carbon fiber, guys, so I had to use a metallic base today to try and recreate that. When spraying candies and stuff like that over carbon fiber naturally, depending on what clear they use or what weave count they use, or a lot of factors go into the hue they have overall on that, and then they go sand it back and they add the candy themselves. So without knowing the brand they use or the exact candy, I just had to ballpark it and guess. It looked like it had a slight bit of red hue to it, so when I mixed up the brown, I added gold, the blue, and the red, and I added a little bit more red than it normally calls for, because over the gold, I figured it'd bring out those coppers, those bronzes, that color that you see really kind of orangish and dominate over the carbon when the light hits it. So this was pretty much my good old college try. I think I'm somewhere in the ballpark, but hey, it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you guys. Here's the fun part. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with Limelight candy concentrates, I have links down to them in the description. And if you're interested in that gold paint, a really cool color, then you can hit up Tony Got Paint from LYFE. I'll have his links down in the description as well. And if you made it this far in the video and you like me trying to recreate crazy colors, going outside the box to get people, cool results on a budget for a lot cheaper than you probably would have paid to buy a Lamborghini Urus. But I'm all the time doing crazy spray outs, paint jobs, tutorials, a little bit of everything on this channel. So take a second, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. That way you don't miss anything. And leave me a quick like and comment, guys, before you exit away. It helps me out tremendous to spread out this video and continue to grow and flourish on YouTube, so I can continue to try and bring crazy stuff like this to you guys. But I appreciate you tremendously for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John for WHITLEY Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.